Today, I'm going to show you how to make a profile picture like the Fresh Prince himself using Canva. Will Smith's got a great personality, and he has used his profile picture as a way to stand out from the sea of faces that you see when you are going through social media. So I'm going to show you how to use this style to create your own profile picture that can help you really stand out. It's all done in Canva in a couple of minutes. Let's jump in. We're going to use a logo as a template because that is a nice square base that we can use for our profile picture. So we are going to go over to uploads to begin with, where you're going to upload a photograph of yourself. Let it upload there. So you've got your photograph of yourself and you are now wanting to just expand it so that it fills the space that you've got. If you are in Canva and you have the premium version, you can use the background remover. If you don't have the premium version, that's absolutely fine. Make sure that you check out my video on how to remove the background for free, and I'll put the link for that right below the like button. Okay, so I've got the background removed here. And my next step is that I now want to make it black and white. So I'm going to go over to edit, and then I'm going to go down to filters, and I'm just going to scroll across. You can either click see all, but you can see there's lots of different filters that you can use here. And I'm going to go over to now there's several black and white filters that you can choose. You are wanting something with high contrast. I found noir to be the most effective high contrast image that we can convert into. And then I'm going to go over to adjust if you want to. This is optional, but I might just want to adjust the brightness a little bit and pull up the contrast of my image. And there are all these other adjustments that you can make here. So let's just play around with it a little bit and see how it works. This is a lovely high contrast black and white image. Super. So I've now got my black and white image. And then very simply, I'm going to, let me just crop this temporarily. I'm going to click on the background, and I'm then going to add a yellow background. So you can play around with this, obviously, if you're wanting a completely different color with your slider. But I like that really lovely white background there, really sharp yellow. And there you have your iconic yellow background with your black and white image that will really help you stand aside from the competition. Okay, so once you've got that design, you are wanting to go over to share and download. You can have a PNG selected up here. You can make it as large or small as you need to. And then you are going to go down to select pages, unselect all, and make sure that your current page is selected that you've been working on. And then that will save that as an image, which you can then slot into your profile picture. So to give you an idea of what this might look like, let's just go over to uploads, and we can upload our file that has just been downloaded. You'll find this in your downloads folder. You can just drag and drop that into that, and that's how it's going to look, so that you can obviously crop that as you need to, but that is really, really effective for a profile picture that's going to stand out amongst all the faces. Looking really good. If you're a fan of standing out from the crowd, which you probably are if you're watching this video, you obviously like to be different, make sure you check out this video here where I show you how to apply a sketch effect to any photograph to give you a very authentic and unique feel. I'm Gigi from Spotted Hut Design, and we help new business owners create professional branding and graphics using Canva in just a couple of minutes.